Hi, this is Vandana from Thandai Periyar Government Institute of Technology at Vellore, Department of ECE. Today we are going to see about microcontroller and microprocessor, the unit of interfacing microcontroller. The topic is stepper motor interfacing with 8051. These are the content of this section: introduction, principles of stepper motor connection, 8051 interface with stepper motor, microcontroller systems, construction diagram of stepper motor, working of stepper motor, stepping sequence of motor, step angle. Introductions of stepper motor. It is a step motor or stepping motor. It is a device that translates the electrical pulses into a mechanical movements. The stepper motor rotates in steps in response to applied the signals. It is used in applications such as disk drivers, dot matrix, printers, and robotics, and it is used for the position control. Next, we are going to see about principles of stepper motor. The stepper motor is an electromechanical device which converts the electrical pulses into discrete mechanical movements. So generally the stepper motor having a 4 stator design diagram, which are basically electromagnetic coil. When the current is applied to the coil, the magnetic field of magnet is acting. It is based on the Faraday's law. Whenever the current passes through the coil, the magnetic field would interact the electrical circuit. The electromagnetic field, that is EMF, gets induced. This is the principles of stepper motor. This stepper motor having a shaft or spindle of the stepper motor, it rotates in a discrete step increment when electrical command pulses are applied in proper sequence. The motor rotation has several direct relationship to this applied input pulses. Next we are going to see the stepper motor connection. The stepper motors commonly have permanent magnet motor. It is also called as shaft. It is surrounded by a stator. So the stepper motor having two parts. One is the stator and rotor. Stator part is the stable part. Rotor part is the movable part. And it is also having a phase A1, A2, A3, A4 and VCC. It is commonly paired with the center tap command. There are also steppers called a variable reluctance stepper motors that do not have a PM rotor. The most common stepper motors have 4 stator windings that are paired with a center tap command, which is shown in the figure. And next we are going to see about 8051 interface with the stepper motor. Here the 8051 microcontroller, it is having a 4 port and single port only we are using for stepper motor. It is used to control the stepper motor by the help of the program is written in as 8051. It controls the stepper motor. So we need to give the 4 signals from this microcontroller to stepper motor. And here there is a U2 circuit, that is ULN. It is an inter circuit which is used to drive the stepper motor. The ULN, it has a internal diodes. This circuit having a internal diodes to take care of back EMF. Then the stepper motor, it is a 4 stator design diagram, and when current is applied to the coil, the magnetic field get interact and it induce the EMF and the rotor is start to rotate. This is the block diagram for 8051 interface with the stepper motor. And next we are going to see about microcontroller systems. A microcontroller in a single chip computer, and controller suggests that the device can be used in control applications. A microcontroller is embedded controller since most of the microcontrollers in industrial, commercial, domestic applications are built into a device they control. And the systems include a program memory, data memory, input output, timers, counters, analog to digital converters and so on. So the microcontroller systems is used in a real-time embedded systems. So it is having a 40 pins and it is having a 3 port And this 8051, these ports are help to connect the peripheral devices. And next we're going to see about two-phase permanent stepper motor. It is having a stepper, stator and rotor. Stator is A dash and B dash, and the coil are wound in the stator part, and the permanent magnet rotor is placed in center, and the core is surrounded by the motor. And next we're going to see about construction diagram of stepper motor. Here the most common stepper motor have 4 stator windings that are paired with the center tap common. This type of stepper motor is commonly referred to as 4-phase stepper motor. The center tap allows a change of current direction in each of 2 coils when the winding is grounded, thereby resulting in a polarity change of the stator. So this is the diagram for stepper motor. In the working of stepper motor, the center tap allows a change of current direction in each 2 coils when winding is grounded. The resulting is polarity change of the stator. The stepper motor shaft moves in a fixed repeatable increment which allows one to move it to a precise position. The repeatable fixed movement is possible as a result of basic magnetic theory, where poles of the same polarity repel and opposite poles attract. The direction of the rotation is dictated by the stator poles. The stator poles are determined by the current sent through the wire coils as the direction of current is changed. The polarity is also changed, causing the reverse motion of the rotor. Next, we are going to see the stepping sequence of motor. The stepper motor discussed as a total of leads. 4 leads representing the 4 stator winding, 2 common for the center tap leads. As a sequence of power is applied each stator winding, the rotor will rotate. So here the rotor rotates 90-degree angle. The current flow A and D and B and C is 0. So A and D is south pole is attracted and B and C is north pole is attracted. So the rotor start to rotate. So there are several widely used sequence which is different degree of precision. So there is a 2 directions of this rotation. One is a clockwise and another one is a anti-clockwise. So it takes a delay and initialize the counter 4. The count is decrementing until the 0. Whenever the count 0, it returns to change the polarity of this direction. And next we are going to see about single mode step mode angle. The step angle is a minimum degree of rotation associated with the angles for various motor. The stepper revolution is the total number of steps needed to rotate one complete rotations or 360 degree. The relations between RPM, steps per revolution, and steps per second is as follows, which is equal to RPM into steps per revolution by 60. After completing every 4 steps, the rotor moves only 1 tooth pitch. The smaller the step angle, the more teeth the motor passes. This is the working of stepper motor interfacing. Thank you.